Just this year, we purchased a 17-foot Casita Independence travel trailer. Prior to that, we had a 13-foot Scamp that we really loved because we could tow it behind our 4-cylinder vehicle. There was only one problem, and that was the bed. Since Doug slept on the inside of the bed, he would have to climb over me to get to the bathroom at night. That's when we decided to make the purchase of the Casita Independence, which has 2 twin beds that convert into a king-size bed. Hi, I'm Kristen, and you're watching Travels and Travails. Today, I'm going to show you some modifications that we made on our Casita trailer that make our lives a little bit easier. We would love to bring you on our adventures. If you'd like to come with us, hit the subscribe button. So one of the things I love is this cubby, and I use it to put my journal in it. And I have a pen, 2 pins, and some chapstick. We added this little command center for the remote control for the TV. And then we added another command center right here above the thermostat, and that holds our phones. And then Doug also added 12-volt power so that we could plug our phones in there and stick them in our little command center. I love command hooks. They're great for everything. We have a couple command hooks right here, just inside the door for holding keys and stuff like that. Inside the bathroom, there's a shower rail, and I modified a shower curtain. We love this aerating shower head. It does a great job on reducing the amount of water that we use. Another thing we love in the bathroom is this Teak Bath Mat. It keeps your feet from getting dirty when you're in the shower, and it keeps your feet dry when you're using the toilet, which is right there. In this cupboard, I added a couple things. One of the things I added was this drawer. So I also have that pull-out tray. So that's where our pantry, where we store our food. One of the things that we really appreciate is our TV mount. This paper towel holder keeps the paper towels steady when we're on the road. Doug made these custom closet shelves for us to use instead of hanging our clothes.